How to enable charge and record option on Insta360 X5. So on your device, scroll down to your control panel, then tap on the gear icon to go to settings. Now once you come to settings, scroll down below, then tap on power off charging. Now just choose the option of charge and record. Now once you do so, you'll see other various recording settings. You can turn on the toggle for stop recording when power source is disconnected. You can modify shooting mode. You can also change shooting parameters and then image parameters once this option has been turned on. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.